Old girl and the twins seem to be the only ones here this morning. At least they are all that was here when I walked out here. Hi, old girl. Hi, Tiny and Tossy. How are you guys this morning? Not so tiny anymore. They are getting big quickly. It's okay, little one. Go ahead. I'm pretty close to that spot. If you don't mind, I don't mind. If you don't mind, I don't. Apparently you don't mind. I'm not far away from there. It's okay, little one. But you're probably gonna not like it when I bend over to pick up the container, are you? Oh, you guys are getting big. Growing up. You've come a long way since you first showed up in June. See anyone over there in the field or down in the woods. Every morning that fog over that field. Nowadays. Well, I probably ought to pick up my container and move on. I hope I don't startle this little one. Is it going to startle you when I go to get my container of feed off the ground? Let's find out. It's okay. I'm just picking up the thing. Just picking up the thing. Although now what do I do? I've only got two hands. So I'll have to turn this off.